What's going on, guys? It's Vinny. I know you were expecting Stu, but currently he is at home on lockdown because someone got COVID-19 tested, so he's just staying home to be safe until the results come back. So you're kind of stuck with me, but it's all right. We got plenty to do around here. I'm gonna pick something to do, and then I'm gonna start the video. So first on our list of things to do, I'm gonna clean up this 03 Wrangler motor that I got to put in Fat Jenny, is what I call her. It's a lifted Cherokee, 6 inches. Actually, it's Stu's old Jeep. I know he mentioned it a few times in his other videos, but we're just gonna engine hoist it up. I'm gonna scrape some of the rust off, spray this engine cleaner I got on it, and then yeah, we're gonna have a good fucking, god damn it. All right, so I got the chain hooked up. If I need to readjust it, I will. So I'm just gonna bring that engine hoist over and start jacking it up. Very time consuming. All right, so I'm just gonna start just using a regular flathead screwdriver to get off all the heavy rust chunks that are on the front of the engine block. And then after we do that, I'm gonna spray the engine cleaner all over the really greasy parts. I'm gonna let that sit. I'm gonna scrub it with a Scotch-Brite, and then maybe this like plastic scrubber I have. So I don't know if the video does it justice or anything, but like this is all like baked on grease. And then this is just like all flaky and everything, so I want to get all this off. And on the other sides, it's all right, but I'm still gonna clean it. So that was just a few minutes of scraping all this rust off. Looks a lot better. It's a little, there's still a little bit, but most of it doesn't come off, so I'm just gonna leave it how it is. I mean, it's a Jeep, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? I don't know if you guys can tell, this side's more grease-ridden instead of rust. I mean, there's a few spots. I think I'm just gonna do it off camera, and then I'll pick it up where I start spraying the engine cleaner. So this is the stuff that was recommended to me for all the baked on grease that I have near the motor, or on the motor. I'm just gonna use some duct tape to close up some open electrical connectors near the heavy grease spots. And then we're gonna spray this on and scrub it and rinse it off. All right, so I just got a bowl of warm water, some Scotch-Brite. I'm just gonna start scrubbing, get all the tight areas I can, and then we're gonna rinse it off and call it a day. All right, so I'm just gonna turn on the hose, start rinsing it off, and yeah. So I know the video doesn't do it justice, but before we could, you know, run our finger across this and get, you know, full of dirt and grime, and you could see like how thick it was. Now there's nothing there. It's all clean. I'm actually very happy with the half an hour I spent spraying it, scrubbing it, and everything. Yep. So that'll be all for today. I just want to thank you guys for watching the video and everything. I know you were expecting stew, but you know, things happen. We got to work around them. This is actually really challenging and really fun, and I hope I could do it again for Stu someday, or be in more of his videos. So, yeah, see you guys later.
Now I haven't really seen the video. Vinny just pulled up to airdrop me these because staying home, not really going out, but he didn't want to email it. We just figured he'd airdrop it, so he pulled up to airdrop it, and I hope it's good. I mean, I'm gonna edit it, throw it up today, so hopefully it turns out good. If you guys like the video, if you like seeing Vinny, leave a comment. Tell Vinny how good of a job he did. I'm sure he'll love to read those. And make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, because this is commitment. I mean, you guys are getting videos consistently, so make sure to hit that bell notification and subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys. Leave a shout out, big thank you to Vinny, and we'll see you next time. Peace.